Hey guys, so I'm in South Carolina visiting one of my daughters and her family I'm near Charleston, but they live in a suburb called Mount Pleasant, and it is very pleasant here. It's a nice little part of the community, but the reason I was making a vlog today is yesterday Shelley informed me that the trailer arrived and the rest of our equipment arrived. So my plan is, hang on, I got some construction traffic going by, just give me a sec. So my plan is to, as soon as I get home, finish up straightening the garage, which I think will take about a day, and then start in on the trailer. Get that done first, and then and I'll get some video on that. I'm not gonna torture you by making you watch the whole assembly video, but I'll get some video while I'm doing it. Because I've never honestly, I was going to say I've never built a trailer before, but that's not true. I built a Harbor Freight trailer. So this one is specifically for a boat, and it was part of the kit that I bought. And I'm looking forward to putting it together. I know I already have to make one change, but it's not major, and I don't think requires any additional welding or anything like that. But I can if I have to. Anyway, I wanted to get you guys updated. I'm having a great time on my vacation. They live in a wonderful community. I'm gonna flip this around just so you can see. I'm out at the community lake, which is, I think, very cool. Hold on. There we go. So this is their community lake. The last time I was here, there was a sign right down here that said to be aware that there were alligators in the lake. And what I thought was funny, look, there goes my daughter now. Ooh, say hi. Hold on. Let's see what they're saying. So, I'm just making a short vlog. I'll be home in just a bit.
Okay, you want me to pick you up on the golf cart and we'll go get the kids?
Yeah, you could do that. I have everything I need with me.
I'll meet you right here in like 10 minutes.
Super.
Okay.
Love you guys.
Love you.
So that's our community lake. But the reason it was also interesting to me that there was alligators here is right down there, that gazebo down there. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit for you. Yeah, that gazebo down there is the community swimming pool. And so the alligators used to go hang out on that end of the lake, expecting one day that they would just charge the swimming pool and eat some little blonde babies, mostly around here. Nice area. Anyway, I'm looking forward to getting home. I love the idea that I'm on vacation here in South Carolina. It's a beautiful location, and I love seeing my daughters, as you know, and my grandchildren. Ryan has 4 of them, 2 girls and 2 boys. And so, although I love being here and I love seeing grandbabies, especially the new one, I look forward to getting home so we can start work on the boat project. Boating on a budget. So I got a comment on one of my videos that said it's not boating on a budget. I don't know about you guys, but I've never had a boat that a whole kit that cost less than $5,000, and that's what I was able to do with this one because it was less than $5,000. I'd call that a budget kind of operation, considering it's the boat, the motor, and the trailer, as well as accessories. So yeah. I'm looking forward to it. So I hope you guys stay up with it. Hope you enjoy these vlogs. We got a birthday party tonight. Maslin, the second youngest, is 2 today. So we're gonna have a little birthday party for him. Maybe I'll get a little video to torture you guys with. All right, love you.